Hi friends, welcome to Market Disha. Today we will discuss two types of value relationship, higher value and lower value. And we will see when this happens, market कैसे behave करती है and हम कैसे इसको use कर सकते हैं. So let's start. पहले हम स्टडी करेंगे हायर वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप्स एग्जांपल्स एंड निफ्टी ने कैसा परफॉर्म किया उस दिन. सो on 17th of March and 18th of March session we have a higher value relationship. So जब भी ऐसा हो हायर वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप तो बायस बुलिश होता है एंड टू कंफर्म दैट बायस वी नीड ओपन above the value. So this is the perfect textbook example. ये हायर वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप था. निफ्टी ओपन हुआ अबव द वैल्यू एंड आउटसाइड द रेंज. जब भी ऐसा हो नेवर एवर ट्राई टू शॉर्ट द मार्केट. So this is the open test drive, bullish, price open here, tested the previous day high and start rising on upside. This is the short sellers comes, short term time frame sellers और intraday sellers who want to decay the premium. उन्होंने यहाँ पे एंट्री की, but as we know the higher value relationship confirmed by the bullish open and later on they get trapped and market remain on upside. Now see this kind of example. This is the higher value relationship, a bullish bias, but nifty opened with the gap down here. So this initial buying was a responsive buying because of the bullish bias from previous session. But we need to avoid this kind of day because our bias was bullish, but आज निफ्टी वैल्यू के नीचे ओपन हुआ है तो समथिंग इज चेंज इन मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर. सो आइदर avoid this kind of day. This is the best thing. You need to avoid that kind of day or wait for the few signals to reverse the position, and for that you need to wait for the range extension on a downside because now the price is trading below the value. Let's see few more examples for a higher value, then we will go to the lower value relationship. Okay, have a look at here. So this is 16th of Feb and 17th of Feb. The value is higher here, just a slight of overlapping this, and Nifty opened above the value, but this is inside the previous day range. So if price open between the previous day range, it means market is balanced. Nothing is going to change today, or we can expect a slow movement. Now Nifty open above the value, tested the POC, rejected here because of a responsive buying and closed here. So this is kind of a pattern, a bullish activity at the value. So look for the buying opportunity confirmed by the open. We have the higher value, we have the bullish open. Now look for only a bullish opportunity. and Nifty remain a slight on upside, but it's kind of a sideways market. This is the single red candle of 73 points. Okay, now let's move. This is a perfect higher value relationship. Nifty open here, but this is the perfect example for the bear traps. Sellers entered here. We can see the selling tails on a higher side. This is the open, price tested here, but this is the bearish candle. If it closed above the open, we can look for the bullish opportunity. Now we need to wait for either the range extension or a bullish pattern to go for a long. So Nifty open here. This is the selling tail from the previous day, fell to the value, and here responsive buying comes. This is the doji, which shows that something is here. Sellers faced the wall of a buyers. This is a bullish candle which break out the value. Either you can long here because of a doji and followed by a bullish candle on a 30-minute time frame, or you can wait for the range extension on a upside. You can enter at this candle 145 for this kind of move for option buying or scalping. Now let's see the example, failure example. Our bias was bullish. Nifty opened here, faced selling at the open. This is the open test trade round. This is the institutional activity by the sellers or bears. Nifty comes to the value. Now the fighting is going on, and later range is extension on downside and Nifty goes to the downside. So यहाँ पर हम अवॉइड कर सकते थे. ये जो वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप है ये हमें बचाता है कि हमें क्या नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे वैल्यू रिलेशनशिप बुलिश बायस कंफर्म कर रहा था. निफ्टी ओपन हुआ वैल्यू के ऊपर, जो कि एक अच्छी बात थी, लेकिन जो पहली जो एक्टिविटी हुई वो सेलिंग एक्टिविटी हुई, जैसे यहाँ हुई थी. जैसे यहाँ हुई थी वही हमने वेट किया था बुलिश पैटर्न के लिए, और यहाँ वैल्यू के आसपास कोई भी बुलिश पैटर्न नहीं है. और अगर कोई बुलिश पैटर्न नहीं है तो हमें फाइट नहीं करना है मार्केट के साथ. अगर आप ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, अगर आपके दिमाग में अभी भी ये है कि यहाँ ट्रैप हो सकता है, बुलिश बायस था, ओपन ऊपर हुआ है, हो सकता है वैल्यू से ऊपर जाएगा, तो पैटर्न का वेट करो. अगर वो नहीं बन रहा है तो अवॉइड द डे टू सेव योर कैपिटल. लेट्स टॉक फॉर फ्यू मोर और हायर वैल्यू relationship. So this is the higher value. Just because Nifty opened here gap up, Nifty open here, tested the value and goes to the higher side, remain sideways or in a slightly higher side above the value. At least you know that you don't need to short the market just because a bias is confirmed by the value and the open type. Now here value was down, Nifty opened here gap up, face the selling activity, avoid the day. Because value was down, we need a open below the value to ride the trend. Okay, have a look at this. हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि ये मूव आएगा वैसा मूव आएगा, लेकिन हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं हमें क्या नहीं करना है. और अगर हमने इतना कर लिया, हमने अगर अपनी कैपिटल बचा ली, तो प्रॉफिट अपने आप आ जाएगा. सो नाउ लेट्स चेक फ्यू  ऑफ द साइडवेज वैल्यू और स्लाइटली ऑन अ लोअर साइड. So this is from here, 29th of Jan. This is the higher value, but it is overlapping. This is the lower value, and this is also overlapping. Now value was lower, Nifty opened here. This is the a bullish activity or activity by the responsive buyers at the value, and Nifty went to the higher side. Later on, sellers comes and extended the range on a downside. So this was the trade for you on this candle, because value was lower, pattern was a bullish. Now what we need a bearish pattern. If you say हम यहाँ भी एंटर कर सकते थे, यू कैन, पर अभी भी प्राइस वैल्यू के ऊपर है. सो हो सकता है बायर्स कंट्रोल ले लें, हमें ट्रैप नहीं होना है. सो बेटर है कि पैटर्न और रूल्स को फॉलो किया जाए. सो यहाँ पे रेंज एक्सटेंशन डाउनसाइड की तरफ हुआ. इस कैंडल पे परफेक्ट शॉर्ट मार्केट के लिए बनता था, और ये जो पॉइंट है इट्स ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 500 पॉइंट्स जो आपको मिलते, जस्ट बिकॉज आपको पता है कि वैल्यू डाउन है, आपको मार्केट में बेयरिश अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढनी है. अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं आ रही है तो उस ट्रेड को अवॉइड करो. नाउ फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. हैव अ लुक एट दिस. वैल्यू वाज हायर, निफ्टी ओपन within the previous day range. So what it means, market balance है. First activity is the selling activity from the previous day. This is the selling institutional activity. Now if the sellers are strong, why this kind of doji candle? Again, price remain in the previous boundaries. This is the bullish pattern or breakout pattern. Either you can long here or above the range extension by this candle for this kind of scalping or option buying move. But at least आप यहाँ गलती नहीं कर रहे हो. आपको लगेगा कि यार सिर्फ इतना मूव, पर बात है कि आपने ये मूव तब कैप्चर किया जब कंफर्म हो गया कि मार्केट में बाइंग प्रेजेंट है, बायर्स कंट्रोल में. ओके, अब ये बेस्ट टूल है. आप कोई भी ट्रेंड राइड कर सकते हो इससे, डाउन, अपसाइड और साइडवेज आप वाइड कर सकते हो. इससे बेस्ट टूल कोई नहीं है. अब यहाँ देखो, ये वैल्यू डाउन है. पहली एक्टिविटी जो 30 मिनट्स की है वो एक बाइंग एक्टिविटी है बाय द इंस्टीट्यूशंस. This is at the value where the sellers tried to enter. So now what we need? We need to either enter at here just because our bias was bullish, and this is the selling pattern from the value zone. Or if we want a more shorty, we need to look for the range extension on the downside. So this is a candle where the sellers try to control, but they get trapped here. So close the position, don't fight the market. Now market open gap up, value was overlapping. Avoid the day, don't trade when the value is overlapping or pattern is not in match with the value. Now we will look at the lower value relationship. A few more examples. Here the value was down, pattern was bearish. It confirmed for that we do not need to go for a long. One more thing, value was down, sellers entered at the opening, tested higher, went here, Later buyers entered here just because of the this support. You can ride this trend of Nifty with the help of this tool. Now this is where the breakout happen on a downside. We will see the structure what happens before that. So market goes to the sideways area here. Value was overlapping here and here. This is the bearish pattern because the value was almost, you can see the three lines are very narrow, which shows that whenever this happens, expect market is going to blast in few sessions of the same day. So Nifty opened here. This is the selling activity by the institutions, and Nifty remain in the downtrend for the whole day. Now the sellers which entered here, next day Nifty open gap down, responsive buyers comes here and take the price higher. But we do not need to go long at this candle because the value is down, our bias is bearish, so tries to enter on a bearish trade on a bearish pattern or avoid the day just because of the responsive buying from the lower levels by the institutions. Okay, sellers entered here, this moves, okay, and they tested the lower of this candle. Again buyers comes here, but market remain in a sideways just because that value was showing that bears are in control, but the activity in the first 30 minutes is the buying activity by the institutions. So expect the fight between the buyers and sellers who are trying to take control of the market. Now again value is down, but this is a doji, avoid the day or wait for the perfect breakout. And you can see अगर आपने ये दिन अवॉइड किया होता तो एटलीस्ट हमारा कैपिटल सेव था, बिकॉज काफ़ी स्टॉप लॉस लोगों के खाए गए होंगे, यहाँ पर हिट हुए होंगे. सो नाउ लुक एट हियर, द वैल्यू वाज डाउन अगेन, नाउ ओपन वाज अबव द वैल्यू. यहाँ हमें पता लगता है कि कुछ स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हुआ है, बट हमारा पैटर्न नहीं है. अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ डे. यहाँ भी कैपिटल हमारा सेव हुआ. नाउ वैल्यू हायर थी, ओपन उसके बिलो हुआ है. अवॉइड द डे और वेट फॉर द परफेक्ट ब्रेकआउट. लुक एट हियर, these are all the candles are showing that buyers and sellers are fighting with each other. This is the candle where the breakout happens on a downside, and this is the 100 points move in a 30 minutes of Nifty, and next day Nifty open gap down. So now value is lower, but you can see that there is a divergence between the value and the open. So now we can expect sideways market because this is a huge gap. अगर ऐसा कभी बने, कभी भी होता है, तो हो सकता है जो, बिकॉज वैल्यू जो चीज़ है वो मैग्नेट की तरह काम करती है. प्राइस अपनी वैल्यू के पास ही ट्रेड करेगा. इंस्टीट्यूशंस हमेशा वैल्यू के पास ट्रेड करेंगे. वो कभी भी वैल्यू के उधर या उधर, जब तक उनको सही वैल्यू मिलेगी वो वहीं ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. नाउ निफ्टी ट्राइज टू reach to the this value because of the huge gap. Nifty value lower, open above the value. Our bias was bearish because of the value, but Now the opening is over the value to avoid the day or goes for the straddle or some else strategy for the premium decay. Now value is higher, opening type is bearish. So what do we need to do? Avoid the day or trade with the range extension on a downside. If we entered here, so this is the move, you got captured. Value is lower, Nifty open with a gap down. Again, now this is the not a perfect selling opportunity, because whenever gap up happens or gap down happen, or it's a, you need to wait for the price to come near the value to find the perfect opportunity to trade. Don't go. This is a disparity between the value and the price. Now price and tested the yesterday low here. Look at this. This is the point where you can enter for a short trade on this candle, because price at least reached the previous day low. This is how institutions trade. So this is your point. Nifty is in a downtrend confirmed by the lower value for consecutive 3 days. Now this was the lower value relationship. This was the bullish pattern, which indicates that responsive buyers are present at this level. So either avoid the day, or you can enter it here with the strict stop loss of this high, which got triggered by here, because all the sellers are present here. But अगर हमने ये ट्रेड अवॉइड किया होता इस कैंडल को देख के, जी जो एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल एक्टिविटी है, तो इस स्टॉप लॉस से बच सकते थे। पर ऐसा बचना क्यों है? वैल्यू लोअर है, दिस इज अ बेरिश कैंडल, शॉर्ट हेयर विद अ स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस हेयर। यहाँ स्टॉप लॉस चला गया। नाउ क्लोज द सिस्टम और वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे, बिकॉज यहाँ पर लड़ाई नहीं करनी है मार्केट के साथ। नाउ द वैल्यू इज ओवरलैपिंग। अब प्रीवियस डे के सेशन से हमें पता लगता है कि बायर्स मार्केट में आ चुके हैं। सो हमें एक बुलिश पैटर्न चाहिए। सो निफ्टी ओपन हुआ वैल्यू के ऊपर, जो एक अच्छा संकेत था, बट दिस इज नॉट अ बुलिश पैटर्न। लेटर ऑन दे फाइट एट during this whole time. Range is extended here with the candle, because range is also extended on this candle, but price closed within the first half session. Now Nifty is riding on upside. So this is how value can save you from taking the wrong trade. So that's all for the day. If value is higher, you need to look for the bullish open type, which is basically open of the value and the open test drive bullish. Or if value is lower, you need to look for the bearish patterns for the market. Open is very important tool. I'm saying again and again, open is the key to trade the value. If open confirm the bias, then you need to go for the trade, else stay away from the market and save your capital. So that's all for the day. Thank you guys. Take care. Happy trading. And if you like it, please subscribe the channel. It will help me to motivate. Thank you guys. Take care.